In this short video, I'm going to show you how to resolve CAA error in Systeme.io while connecting your custom domain. Because if you're using Systeme.io to create funnel, to create blog, selling courses, or creating your own affiliate system, then adding a custom domain is super important for you, because if you're doing a business, then you should look professional. But I have seen that many of the people who are trying to connect their domain, custom domain from Hostinger, Namecheap or GoDaddy, they are not able to connect them and they can see the CAA error. And I got the same today when I was trying to connect my domain, right? But after troubleshooting of 30 minutes, I actually found a solution for myself, and then I thought I should try this solution for everyone, because all of you guys who are actually getting this error can actually resolve that error within just 5 minutes after watching this video. So you guys don't have to waste your time in troubleshooting like me. So if you like this video and my effort in creating this video and sharing this information video, then make sure to subscribe to the channel and watch my other videos in the same playlist, because I have created the videos on almost every topic regarding Systeme.io. Like if you want to create a blog, want to create a website, want to sell your course, create your online affiliate system, or run email marketing campaign to grow your business and make money online, then you should watch this whole playlist for free to become pro in this tool Systeme.io and can actually scale your online income. But before getting started, if you are tired of the daily grind, then let's build the life of freedom together. Join my Facebook group where people of all ages are actually learning how to create passive income by online selling and affiliate marketing with no money. And after joining that Facebook group, you can just shoot me up the message. Then as per your condition, I will guide you the exact roadmap that will actually work. Because if you are not able to make money online yet, that means you are just watching YouTube videos, you are having too many information in your mind and you don't know where to start. So if you learn from my proven strategies which actually work, then you will be able to achieve your goal. So let's start your journey today. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and from here I have opened my Systeme.io dashboard, and from the setting menu I am on my page of custom domains, and you can see here I have just added my custom domain here, which is askaboutanything.com, and on the right side I am getting CAA error, and it is giving me two options. Number one is question mark and number two is show instruction. So basically when I try to add my domain here, then I got this error. But if you don't know how to connect your domain, then you can watch my other video in this playlist on how to connect your domain here and how to add your CNAME record. So your domain name provider can actually redirect your customers who are basically clicking on your domain to your Systeme.io funnels and account, right? But if you are stuck at this point and getting CAA error, so all you have to do is to your DNS name server and click on save and wait for at least 15 minutes. So when you add those lines, so your domain will be connected successfully, and you will see that this CNAME error will change to ready to use, and then you can actually use your custom domain very easily. So now let me show you what are those lines, from where you can get those lines, and at where you have to put those lines and add into DNS record server. So first of all, you have to click on this question mark and then read what it is saying. So basically it is saying that the integration of domain name failed due to a certificate authority authentication CAA error. You will need to create a CAA record that allows Amazon to issue certificate for this domain. So basically this error you are getting due to Amazon Web Service is not able to find out the path to your domain. So the solution is simple. All you have to do is you have to go on Google and type Systeme.io CAA error and then click on this first link. And when you open that page, so basically this is an article from Systeme.io themselves, and you can see that they are explaining the same thing in this article, like why you are getting that error and how to resolve it. So if you want, you can actually read that article later for your information, but right now I'm just taking you to the exact point what you have to do and how to resolve that error. So you have to scroll down on the same page, and from here you can see in the step number 2 there are some records this website is showing. So basically these are 10 CAA records, and you have to add these 10 CAA records on the same DNS name server where you have added previous record to connect your domain. So here you can see that these are 10 records, 5 are issue, you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 are issue while. You can see that issue while 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can see that the record says Amazon.com, AmazonTrust.com, AWSTrust.com, and some CA.com, just like that. So these are 5 same with issue, and these are 5 same with issue while. So one by one you have to add all of these records in your domain name server DNS server, and then when you save them, so after 15 minutes that CAA error will be resolved. So now let me show you where you have to add these entries. So here you can see that I am at my Hostinger domain dashboard because I have purchased my domain from Hostinger. But if you have purchased your domain name from anywhere else like Namecheap, GoDaddy or somewhere else, you have to go to the same. You have to go to your dashboard, and then from your dashboard you have to click on domains and then domain portfolio, right? So from there you will be able to see all of the domain which you own. So as in this case I want to connect that domain, so I need to click on the manage on that domain, and from that page I need to find out DNS name server. So in Hostinger on the left side you can see DNS name server. But if you're not using Hostinger, so you have to scroll down and try to find out DNS name server. And when you find and click, so you will be able to see these records which are already added. And on the top you can see there's a tab to add a new record. So in this new record, you have to fill the things in 3 fields, 1, 2, 3, and click on add record. So just like that, I have to add all of those 10 records here one by one. And then after adding those records, I have to wait for 15 minutes. And then when I go there and click on refresh, I will be able to see this error resolved and this website domain will be ready to use, right? So now let me show you how to add one record, and then the rest of the record you have to add by the same way, right? So I have to go there. So here in the record type, I have to scroll down and I have to find CAA because the error is CAA. And in the name, I need to leave it as blank with the @ and at a flag, I have to write 0, and in the tag, I have to write issue. And then in the CA domain, I have to write amazon.com. You can see that here is amazon.com. So this is issue amazon.com. You can see that issue amazon.com. And this is blank, this will be CAA and this will be 0. So when I click on add record, so you can see that DNS record created successfully. So just like that, I have to add other record as well. Go to there, CAA, leave @ 0, issue, and in the create domain, I have select Amazon Trust, add, again, CAA, 0, issue, and the next thing is AWS Trust, Amazon AWS, and some CA. AW Trust, 0, issue, Amazon AWS, CAA, 0, issue, and some CA.com. So all of those 5 records with CAA issues has been added. So now CAA, 0, issue wild, and I have to add those 5 as well. So I'm just quickly doing all of those. This 0, issue wild, second one, add, CAA, 0, issue wild, third one, add, CAA, 0, issue wild, fourth one, add, CAA, 0, issue wild, and the fifth one. So when I click on add, so you can see that if I scroll down, I have added all of those 10 records in my DNS name server. So after adding those records, you have to go on the same page and then wait after 10 to 15 minutes. And when you wait and then click on refresh, so you will be able to see this error resolved and you will be able to see ready to use instead of this CAA error. So basically, if I wait here for 15 minutes, so that video will be too long. So I'm just quitting that video right now. So right after watching this video, go there, follow the same method step by step and wait for some time. And when you get that issue resolved, don't forget to write in the comment box below on this video so other people who are watching this video can actually know that this method is real and it can actually help you solve your error. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.